Hey, it's Bill here with Florida Van Man. We're at the Central Florida Schoolie Swarm today, hanging out with all the schoolies and van lifers. And we're going to make a little tutorial, show you how to fix your van doors on the T1N Sprinter 2004-2006. Got this 2006 that the door just doesn't want to open, whether you use the inside handle or the outside handle. It's stiff, so we're going to fix that. This handle's kind of sticky, doesn't really work well, doesn't pull well on the outside. The key doesn't seem to do much inside but click. It doesn't lock and unlock the door. So we're going to start with a channel lock pliers, a ratchet, a T30, a T40, Torx bits, can of WD-40 or your favorite lubricant. I'm not too thrilled with WD-40, but it's what I've got today. A sharp screwdriver, a regular screwdriver, flat end Phillips, and some kind of a pry tool. Always good to have a clean paper towel around too, a nice heavy paper towel. We're going to be prying against the painted surface, so that'll come in handy. I'm going to start by removing this rubber bumper, and that's the T30. T30 put this on there. Set that aside. Phillips screwdriver bit. There's sometimes a little plastic tab right in here that you got to get out of the way first. That's what the sharp screwdriver is for. Wiggle that thing out. This one's already missing, so we'll just go in there with the Phillips bit. Take that first screw out. And there's another one back here behind the handle. Stick in there. Now, once both screws are out, this should slide forward a little bit and then come off. Now the pry tool. Get in beneath there a little bit. Drop a paper towel in there. As you can see, this van's a little bit touched up already, so maybe the paper towel isn't always necessary. Definitely don't want to just grab on those corners and pull, because they will break. If you get stuck inside, the lever right up top here is what your door handle engages to, so I just put my pry bar in there and push it over to open the door. That bar should be straight up and down. This one's pretty badly bent. This bar right here should be straight up and down. You can see it's sitting almost 45 degrees there, so we're going to fix that while it's open. We're just going to loosen those up. We're not taking them out. Looking at how much room we have right here, there's a good gap in there that shouldn't be. The plastic is forward of the metal, so when you turn the key, you turn the key there. Now, it worked once, but see how it's jumping over. This little tooth here is jumping over that tooth, and that's what locks and unlocks your doors. This little tab down here is pretty far from the plastic tab, that far from the plastic tab that it should really be touching. What happens is every time you pull on this door, it gets bent just a little bit more and a little bit more, and after 15 to 16 years now, this van's 14 years only, this one, it gets kind of tired. Now we've loosened these two bolts. I'm going to go ahead and take this one out, the screw out completely, because it lets everything move around a little better. If we were to hold this out here, now the key's really going to engage the way it ought to. Very nice right here. Also bringing this out here lines these up the way they ought to touch. If we needed to take the handle off the outside for any reason, we'd remove this till the T30. But we don't need to remove the outside handle for this today. Now I'm going to take my little pry tool, and I don't want to beat this up, so I'm going to move that out of the way. So I'm just going to turn it down out of the way like that. I'm going to get my pry tool in behind this and push that back in. with the channel lock pliers. Let's see if I can get in there. There we go. There we go. That moved it down quite a bit. Move things up a little bit. Get that screw hole lined up again. Like so. Put the screw back in. Bring this guy back up to position. Sometimes you have to wiggle the outside handle in order to get that screw lined up. Oh, and you can see now these actually touch all on their own. There was no gap in between, so as soon as we start pulling on that door handle, it's going to work. We don't want to forget to tighten these back up now that everything's fit back in where it ought to be. And then an important step, lubricate everything. The thing I like about the WD-40 is this direction bendable tip, so I can get it in there and squirt some areas that I might not reach otherwise. This one here, I believe that is just bent, so we're just going to bend it back gently and slowly. All right, in the locked position, it should be backwards like that. So now we're going to unlock the door like that. Now I might have moved it a little bit too far, but I think we'll be okay there. To open the door, it swings forward like so. The door handle here, you want to make sure that is lined up about straight. When this is straight up and down, you want your handle to be straight so that this cup engages around that post in there. Like that. Over 15 years that got bent, we bent it back. Oops. No reason to think it's not going to bend back again. Probably a whole lot faster than the first 15 years, but I did this to my van some time ago. It lasted several years. Yeah, the other important part is out here on the latch mechanism of the door. Whoops, I just clicked it. I'm going to get the spray in there, the lubricant. Work it a couple of times. Oh, look how easy that was. One finger. One finger. It is. It's almost easier. A little bit of grease in this track is a good idea, as well as this track up here. You don't want to put any grease in this track down here, but a little bit of WD-40 doesn't hurt now and then to keep this from rusting up. It makes it slide a little bit better, a little quieter. That's something you probably want to do every couple of weeks or a couple of months. So back inside the van, we want to put the little rubber bumper back on, of course. That's going to keep it a bit. Line that first one up like so. Push this in. Looks like we're missing one here, and we're missing one down in the corner. Put a link to replacement parts of those on our links below. Now, let's test it. Look at that. 2 fingers. Closes better. Opens better. Win-win situation. That's the sound of victory right there. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. 1 finger. Look at that.
seen your shirt. You've got a YouTube channel, don't you?
Yes.
I got one running some videos up there.
All right. It's YouTube gold right there. Recognized.
That's awesome.